Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Nora Fatehi has rapidly established herself as a standout figure in the Indian entertainment world, not just through her electrifying dance performances and magnetic on-screen presence, but also as a modern fashion icon who consistently commands attention. Her style choices exude boldness, confidence, and unapologetic glamour, making her a trendsetter across the board. Whether she's lighting up the red carpet in a dazzling couture gown, stepping out in effortlessly chic casual wear, or captivating her followers with high fashion moments on social media, Nora brings an unmistakable edge and elegance to every look. What sets Nora apart is her versatility. She doesn't shy away from experimenting, and yet, she maintains a cohesive fashion identity rooted in contemporary sensuality and high-end glamour. A lot of her style revolves around structured silhouettes that accentuate her curves, rich fabrics like satin, leather, and silk, and a carefully chosen color palette ranging from jewel tones to earthy neutrals and classic monochromes. Whether she's attending award functions, fashion events, or film premieres, she has mastered the art of making a high-fashion statement without going overboard. But her fashion sense isn't confined to red carpets alone. Her off-duty wardrobe is just as striking and serves as a masterclass in modern streetwear. Think oversized bomber jackets paired with crop tops, high-waisted jeans, fitted bodysuits, and edgy boots. Her casual looks always come with an added twist of glamour. She often sports luxury accessories like designer bags from Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and Dior, sunglasses with sharp frames, and stacked jewelry that subtly elevate the outfit. Even in the most relaxed looks, she maintains a high level of polish, often opting for sleek hairdos and dewy makeup. This balance between laid back and luxe is what keeps her style relatable yet aspirational. When it comes to airport fashion, the beauty Fatehi is always on point. She often chooses athleisure pieces that are both comfortable and stylish, like co-ord tracksuits, biker shorts with hoodies, or tank tops paired with joggers topped off with chic sneakers and designer totes. Her ability to turn everyday basics into head-turning ensembles proves her natural fashion flair and strong grasp of current global trends. Another standout aspect of Nora's fashion journey is her love for Indo-Western fusion. Being of Moroccan-Canadian descent and working in the Indian film industry, Nora seamlessly blends cultural elements into her wardrobe. She often rocks lehenga skirts with crop tops, saris with modern blouses, or dhoti pants with embellished jackets, creating a powerful visual of cross-cultural styling. Her Diwali and wedding guest looks are frequently a blend of glamour and tradition, with designers like Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla and Manish Malhotra styling her in luxurious pieces that combine Indian craftsmanship with contemporary cuts. Even in ethnic wear, Nora maintains her signature silhouette, figure flattering, embellished, and bold, whether it's a crystal-studded sari or a high-slit lehenga with a plunging choli. She loves playing with drapes, asymmetry, and sheer fabrics, always adding her unique spin to traditional attire. Nora's fashion also extends beautifully into the digital world. She often shares behind-the-scenes glimpses of her shoots, dance rehearsals, and travel diaries, all while sporting a diverse wardrobe that never fails to impress. She has a special affinity for coordinated sets, whether it's pastel co-ords for summer or monochrome suits for evening glam, and she knows how to style them with statement heels or bold lips for maximum impact. From corset tops and leather trousers to mesh dresses and halter neck gowns, her wardrobe is a celebration of feminine strength, sexiness, and empowerment. One of her most viral looks featured a black latex bodycon dress that hugged her figure like second skin and was accessorized with minimal jewelry and sleek hair, proof that less is sometimes more when styled with precision and confidence. Nora is also seen experimenting with futuristic trends, such as metallic fabrics, exaggerated shoulders, and neon accents, further establishing her as a fearless fashionista willing to push the envelope. Her fashion choices also resonate with the global style scene. Nora often draws inspiration from international celebrities like Kim Kardashian, Bella Hadid, and Jennifer Lopez, but she infuses her looks with an unmistakable desi edge, which makes them feel both trendy and original. For instance, her penchant for corset-style tops and hourglass silhouettes mirrors Kardashian's influence, but when paired with embellished skirts or Indian embroidery, the outfit takes on an entirely new dimension. She can pull off a vintage Hollywood-style gown with the same ease as she rocks a funky denim-on-denim street look. Her style evolution is clearly intentional. Each phase of her public image seems to reflect a deeper understanding of her fashion persona, growing bolder and more refined with time. Whether she's donning a jeweled crop top with harem pants or a dazzling catsuit, Nora makes sure every fashion piece contributes to the performance narrative, proving how fashion can be storytelling. Her costume design in these videos often sparks trends and influences younger fashion enthusiasts to experiment with daring, performance-ready attire. Hair and makeup are also integral to Noura Fatehi's overall fashion aesthetic. She frequently opts for classic waves, slick ponytails, or high buns depending on the vibe of the outfit. Her makeup usually features contoured cheeks, nude or bold lips, and defined eyes, glamorous yet balanced. She understands the importance of matching beauty looks with wardrobe choices and uses them to complete her fashion story for each appearance. Another key aspect of Noura's growing fashion empire is her brand collaborations and endorsements. Fashion houses and lifestyle brands view her as the embodiment of bold, young, aspirational femininity. She has worked with major beauty and fashion labels, often showcasing outfits in exclusive photo shoots or promotional campaigns. Whether she's the face of a makeup collection, an athleisure line, or a luxury ethnic brand, her presence instantly elevates the label's visibility. Her keen eye for detail and her personal involvement in styling makes her more than just a brand ambassador. She becomes a muse and co-creator in many campaigns. She understands the branding game and always ensures her personal aesthetic aligns with the brand's vision, creating cohesive campaigns that resonate with her fanbase. In the world of fitness fashion, she is equally impressive. As a dancer and performer, fitness is a key part of her lifestyle, and her gym looks are just as fashionable as her public appearances. She frequently sports fitted yoga sets, sports bras with high-waisted leggings, cropped hoodies, and color-blocked activewear that accentuate her toned physique. Her post-workout paparazzi photos have become a style segment in themselves. With flawless hair, natural makeup, and a well-coordinated gym outfit, Noura turns even a trip to the fitness studio into a runway moment. She often complements these looks with baseball caps, mini backpacks, and sleek sneakers, always polished, always curated. Her gym fashion inspires her fans to embrace style in every facet of life, not just when dressing up for occasions. What makes her fashion journey even more inspiring is her evolution and risk-taking spirit. She's not afraid of bold prints, unconventional cuts, or experimental silhouettes. Whether it's a full denim ensemble with statement sleeves or a latex jumpsuit styled with high boots, she enjoys pushing fashion boundaries. Even when she experiments with exaggerated ruffles, neon hues, or sheer paneling, she carries the look with absolute confidence. Her fashion risks often pay off and become trendsetters, proving that she doesn't follow trends, she helps shape them. She has also shown a strong understanding of how fashion and storytelling work together, often styling herself in ways that reflect her current roles, performances, or personal growth. This narrative quality to her dressing adds depth to her public persona. Her social media presence is another extension of her fashion identity. She curates her Instagram feed like a fashion editorial, balancing glamorous photo shoots with candid behind-the-scenes moments. Her posts range from full editorial fashion spreads to mirror selfies in minimal chic outfits, and each image is thoughtfully styled and posed. Her captions often hint at her mood, inspirations, or artistic intentions behind a look, which makes her connection with fans more intimate and relatable. Through reels, short clips, and fashion diaries, she offers style tutorials without directly teaching. Her fashion speaks for itself. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.